So when next-gen console pre-orders launched, I was lucky enough to get through the online queue on GameStop and pre-order myself an Xbox Series X and order it for day one. I upgraded from the Xbox One X to the Xbox Series X, from the world's most powerful console to the next world's most powerful console. I was also able to trade in my Scorpio to GameStop for $200, not bad. I've mainly played Destiny 2, but also tried out other games that look gorgeous. The main difference between the Xbox One X and the Xbox Series X? I feel like I'm seeing a true 4K. No lag and no dropped frames, way faster loading times. The next-gen console is silent compared to the Xbox One X. I really haven't had to use the quick resume feature since I stick to one game, but it will be a cool and convenient feature if I do have to use it. Of course, I'm super excited for Halo Infinite when that releases, but there have been plenty of games to occupy my time, even if it has mainly been Destiny 2 Beyond Light, which I'll be able to play the most optimized version of thanks to the Series X on my LG OLED television. 4K 60 frames for the game, then a reduced resolution at 120Hz in PvP. Simply put, the games look and play great on the Series X. The true 4K, fast loading times, and consistently smooth frames feel otherworldly and makes my gaming experience that much more immersive. Just because my friends play games on a different platform like on console instead of a PC, that no longer means I have to choose from playing on my powerful gaming PC and a console. Console owners can now rejoice because playing on the Xbox Series X is just like playing on a powerful gaming PC. And with the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate service, you'll always have a favorite game to play. So many games to play, so little time. The Xbox Series X lets me know that I'm getting the best gaming experience, no matter which game I pick. And that is my quick gamer review on the Xbox Series X, and those are the main things I have to say about it. The Xbox Series X is the pinnacle of gaming and entertainment. I'm happy to report that I've had zero problems with the console. This is Kevin Scrimmer here at Scrimmer Games on Gamers Reality signing off. If you enjoyed this quick review, please give the video a like, feel free to comment, and if you're new, subscribe for more reviews and other gaming content and video game streams. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.